Tried and true advice for making money online. What it takes to do well in online business is knowledge, determination, and perseverance. If you have these latter two qualities, then knowledge is all you need to add to your arsenal. The ideas in this video will guide you through the process of learning how to make money online. Look out for online scams. Though lots of opportunities for income are out there, you need to be wary of disreputable ones. Investigate each opportunity and read reviews before beginning to work for a company. If you want to make cash online, you must decide what niche you fit into. Do you like writing? Then sell yourself as someone who writes content. Are you able to do good graphic design work? You could get hired to work on the sites of others. Look into yourself to figure out what you can do. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income, or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Now that you know how to make money online, your next step is to implement your new knowledge. Set forth and be determined to turn your skills into something profitable. If you work hard enough, you'll have no problem making money online every day that you sit down and work. Student loan.